In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a picture is from Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Checking the source of an image online can be quite insightful, especially since so many platforms share and redistribute content. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chrome. Go ahead and launch your Chrome browser on your computer or device. Chrome is a powerful tool and provides great features, especially when it comes to image searches. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to the web page that contains the picture you want to investigate. This could be a blog, an article, or any other website where the image is displayed. Just take your time to find that specific picture you're curious about. Now that you're on the correct page and have the picture in front of you, it's time to take the next step. Move your mouse over the picture and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Here's where it gets really interesting. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Search with Google Lens. Go ahead and click on it. Just a quick note, if you don't see this option immediately, it's possible that your Google Chrome might need an update or Google Lens needs to be enabled in your settings. But most of the time, you should see that option right away. After you click on Search with Google Lens, Google Lens will open up with the image you clicked on displayed prominently. This is where the magic happens. Google Lens is designed to analyze the image and provide you with relevant information based on what it sees. Now, as Google Lens pulls the results, take a moment to look through the items it presents. You might see a mix of websites, images, and Pinterest URLs among the various search results. What you're specifically looking for are any links that direct you to Pinterest pages or contain Pinterest URLs. If you spot a result that looks like it might lead to Pinterest, go ahead and click on that matching result. This will take you to the Pinterest page if there is one for that specific image. Once you're on Pinterest, you can see if the image is indeed hosted there and explore related content that might pique your interest. And that's it. You've successfully checked if a picture is from Pinterest. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly useful if you want to trace the origins of an image or find similar images or ideas that others have shared. Remember, using Google Lens not only helps you check images from Pinterest, but also from a slew of other platforms out there. It's a fantastic tool that's useful for anyone who loves discovering content online or simply wants to verify where an image came from. So give it a try the next time you stumble upon an image you're curious about and see what you can find. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful in navigating your online searches more effectively, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. It really helps me create more useful content for you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy searching!